Okay, Alistair, this is a little tutorial on Lost because I won't see you this week. We started the piece last week and we've done the beginning. Finishes on a D. Okay, now continuing on, you're going to notice on your score that for the left hand, you're back into the treble. And you'll also notice that some of your notes have their stems going up and some of them have their stems going down. And that means essentially that you've got two lines of music happening in the same hand. It's a bit more complicated, but nothing you can't handle. So have a look at your score. You've got two notes in that bar with the stems going up, a G and an F. You'll play them with the thumb and the second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for the fourth finger, it's going to play the D's, and the rhythm's a little bit different. You've got a crotchet, then a minim, then a crotchet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So together, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will take some practice because some of these fingers, they want to lift and you've got to keep them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now the fourth beat in that bar, that D, it has a curved line attaching to the next D in the next bar. And that's called a tie, and it literally means that you just tie those two notes together. So I'm now going to play bar, what is it, 3, 4, bar 5 and bar 6 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and now I've got a couple of quavers here. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and next bar I go back to a G here. 1, 2. Now I'm going to play the E and the F with my first and index finger. 3, 4. Now I jump to a B natural and a D. I'm going to hold that D down because its stem is going up on the page and it's going to go for 3 beats. But underneath, I'm going to make like a little descending thing. It's like it's going to snake its way down. 1, 2, 3, and I finish with a C sharp. So I'll do that whole bit again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, Alistair, that's the next. That's the next sort of step in learning this piece. So let me know once you've mastered it, and I'll send you another video. Bye.